After all the configurations related to account payable, let's post the invoice to the vendor. So, to create the invoice, we have the T code as F-43. So, what is the T code? It is F-43. I will take you from SAP Easy Access. That is, from SAP Easy Access, it is accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry, and now just double click on this invoice general. When you double click on this, the system will navigate us to the new window. Here, I'll enter the document date, posting date, and I will enter the document type as KR as it is a vendor invoice. Here, I'll also enter the company code and currency. The journal entry we are posting is vendor account credit, credit purchase account debit. So, against the posting key 31, we need to mention the vendor account number. Yes, we need to mention the vendor account number. If you are not sure about the posting key, then what you have to do is you have to just click on the posting key and press F4 button on the keyboard. So that this will show us the pop-up window with the posting key and its meaning. If you observe, here in the pop-up window against the posting key 31, account type is V. What is the account type here? It is V. That means vendor. Here we also have C. That means credit. So I'll just double click on the posting key 31 to select it. Here, enter the account number of the vendor. If you don't know the account number, then you can always use the drop-down window. For that, just click on the field and press the F4 button on the keyboard. Now, in this screen, just click on More Options button and now click on Vendors by Company Code. Here, maintain the entries as company code is equal to ABCC. And now press the Enter key or click this Continue button. The system will search for all the available vendors in the company code ABCC and display the results to us. Here, I'll select the vendor and now I press the Enter key. When I press the Enter key, the system will navigate us to the new window. Here, you have to make certain entries. That is, enter the amount as 6,000 and now enter the posting key as 40. Here, the account as credit purchase account. Account as credit purchase account, and here also I'll use the drop down window to select my GL account. Now just hit the Enter key. Here in this screen you have to enter the amount. What do you have to do? You have to enter the amount here as well. And now just click on the document overview button. Here, if you observe, you can see our journal entries. Correct, right? Here we can see our journal entries. And now just click on the Save button to save the document. So, the vendor invoice document is created. Go to Document and click on Display. Here we can see our journal entries. As you know already, along with the vendor, another account, that is accounts payable recon account, will be updated automatically. Yes, there is a shortcut to see the GL accounts from this screen only. What you need to do is just click on General Ledger View button. What you have to do? You have to just click on General Ledger View button so that this will show the postings in General Ledger accounts. You can observe that in place of vendor account, now accounts payable reconciliation account is present. So, using this button, we can see the respective GL accounts which are updated automatically. After posting the invoice document for vendor, let's verify this in the vendor open line items report. For that, just click on the new session button and now a new session is generated. Now, to view the report, you can use the T code, that is FBL1N. So, what is the T code which we will be using here? It is FBL1N. Or you can use the SAP menu part from SAP Easy Access, that is go to Accounting, Financial Accounting, Accounts Payable, account and then double click on display or change line items. When you double click on display or change line items, the system will navigate us to the new window wherein you have to enter the account number as vendor number, company code, and select all items and click on execute button. As soon as you click on execute button, you will get this screen. Yes, observe here. You can see an open item against the vendor account, that is 8 followed by 6 zeros Vodafone. Okay. Here, don't get confused with document number. Never get confused. Vendor number is just present above. Got it? So, this is document number. The above number is just the vendor number. And here, if you observe, what is the amount? It is 6,000 INR. What it is? It is 6,000 INR. As we have learnt already, the system automatically updates the reconciliation account which we have assigned to our vendor master. To verify the same, what I'll do is, I'll just click on the new sessions button so that this will generate the new session, and from here, I'll open the T code, that is FBL3N. Here, I'll enter the GL account as accounts payable recon account and credit purchase account. Here, enter the company code as ABCC and select all items, and now just click on the execute button. When you click on this execute button, we can see this new window. If you observe here, an open item is present for recon account. What you can observe here, that is an open item is present for the recon account and an entry is posted for credit purchase account. Yes, I repeat, it is very important, understand properly. If we observe here, there is an open item which is present for the recon account as well as an entry is posted for the credit purchase account. Got it? Now what I'll do is, I'll just post the outgoing payment for this vendor and see its effect. And then I'll switch to the screen where I posted the vendor invoice. And from here, I'll enter /n in the command screen and hit enter. So that this will take us to the SAP Easy Access. And from this SAP Easy Access, what I'll do is, I'll use the menu path accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry. And then here I'll select this outgoing payments, and now I'll just double click on this post. Or else you can always use the T code, that is F-53. Here the journal entries we are trying to make is, that is vendor account debit to bank account credit. What is the journal entry which we are trying to make? That is vendor account debit, bank account credit. Yes. Observe here in this window. Here enter the document date, posting date and document type. And for the bank data account field, what you have to do is select the bank account and enter the amount as 6,000. So, in the open item selection, enter the vendor account and just hit the enter button or click on process open item button. When you click on this process open item button, the system will navigate us to the new window. And now, if you see, the amount cleared and assigned are same. And now, here you have to click on this save button. So guys, this will post the payment document for the vendor. Yes, this process will post the payment document for the vendor. Now, just go to the document and click on display. Here we can see the journal entries. Yes, we can see the journal entries, and now we'll click on general ledger view. Here we can see our general ledger entries as well. So guys, let's verify it in report. For that, I'll just switch to the screen where I had kept FBL1 and transaction screen open. Okay. Yes, in this window, here go to list and click on refresh. And if you observe, the open items are now cleared. Correct, right? The open items are now cleared. Similarly, accounts payable GL account will also be cleared. And now I'll just switch to the screen of FBL3 and transaction screen, wherein go to list and click on refresh. Yes, if you observe, the open items under the account payable are also cleared. What you can observe here, that is, the open items under account payable are also cleared. Got it? Yes. So guys, I hope you are now clear with the concept and configuration of account payables in SAP.